In this video, we'll be creating case classifications, adding attributes, and attribute values. If I wish to apply attributes to a set of cases, I need to have a classification within which I can store the attributes. You will recall that when we created our design framework, we created two case classifications. I'm going to come over to the Cases area in Navigation View and go to Case Classifications. Because we're planning to apply these attributes to cases, we created them in here, the Case Classifications folder. I can expand the Person classification to see the attributes we created there. Let's create one more attribute, this time for places. I right-click to create a new attribute. I'm going to create one for population size. I could set the type to integer if I'd like to enter the actual population values, or if I'd like to use ranges, I can set the type to text and enter the values I'll be using. I can click on the Values tab. I will add under 10,000 and I'm going to add 10,000 to 20,000. I'll click OK. I've now created attributes underneath each of the classifications. I would repeat those steps for other attributes for any other relevant categorical or variable type data about either the people or the places in our study. Next, we will look at how we go about classifying our cases.